Keep up, Luna! The beacon's just ahead!
I'm right behind you, Ari. Don't leave me in the dust. You two always think you're so clever. Let's see.
We don't have time for your games, Vela.
I can't see a thing, Ari. What's the plan?
Trust me, Luna. We're gonna use her own trick against her.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm flying, Ari! I'm flying!
You did it, Luna. The city's safe for another night.
Next time, I won't go so easy on you two.